First, I would like to announce that as far as I am concerned, the Executive Secretary, the President declined the courtesy resignation that I tendered. And just this morning, he communicated to me that I have his full backing for as long as I wish to work for him. And that is a very good gesture from the President, because that is a sign of his manifestation of his full trust and confidence in myself. Because if you had noticed, I don't know if any of you was involved, there was a lot of misinformation yesterday about this reorganization being triggered in order to target me or to remove me from office. Lahat ng cabinet members, presidential advisors, and other presidential appointees are always subject to the will of the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Wala kaming ilusyon na panghawakan ang mga kanya-kanyang pwesto at oras na gusto ng Pangulo na palitan kami o umalis kami sa pwesto, gagawin namin yon dahil para kaming mga ordinary soldier lamang, sundalo kami. Lahat kami ay naghain ng aming courtesy resignations as called for by the President. Walang nag-hesitate. Kasi alam namin na Pangulo lamang ng Pilipinas ang makakapagsabi kung hanggang kailan kami maninilbihan sa taong bayan. Maliwanag po sana sa atin yan. Kahit ano pa man ang sinasabi ng iba't ibang quarters, ang mananaig dito ay yung kagustuhan ng ating Pangulo.